Hi everyone. So in this video, we see the how I am practicing English like as a beginner. I want to improve my communication skills for the interview and also the job and also the confidence. So many people are there. There are like he doesn't know why we are the learning the English. So fix some goal I learning the English for that one reason. So I want to improve my communication skill because of I boost my the confidence. So much of thinking and so much of alone speaking as a beginner, I'm the practicing. Like, you know, how I am practicing the everyday, I am how to say, I'm using the ChatGPT and the Gemini for the learning the English, how I sentence framing for the helpful for that platform also. And also I watching so many videos and so many movies like for the listening and understanding. And also I'm slowly speak and also I'm slowly the practice and also I am the listening like the shadowing techniques in my mind. If you something new word in your mouth, it will be the struggling lot because of your muscles will be and not the flexible. Like so so that is the reason you were frustrated sometimes. You were nervous to speak so some of time. So many people are there are like they give up on the beginners for the mistake, the fear about that. So don't fear about the mistake because of if you made a mistake, yeah, you should learn from that mistake. Why I'm saying I'm also the doing the lot of the mistake. I am I'm now also I'm speaking some of the sentence the mistakenly I'm speaking. But the some of time I watched the video after that recorded myself. Uh, I I realized the some of the mistake. After that, I am thinking, yeah, I'm not repeated that uh, like that mistake year after. I'm thinking. So don't fear about the mistake. Speak slowly. Beginners, if you are a beginner, speak slowly. So that is what makes helpful. Like if you trying to something, the everyday practice. So you should need. So that is important, right? So don't wait for the perfect time. So don't expect like I wanna speak like English if someone is needed. So don't wait for them. No one grateful for you. Like if you need to improve your skills, so you should practice every day. So in this video we see the how to practice, how to the as a beginner we are learning the English. So these are the we are talking about this like use the simple sentence. Right? Don't use a difficult word like I I gotta go. He doesn't know. So these are the simple sentence used for your speaking communication skill. So that is the next helpful. So if you're learning the English, so please comment me. Yeah, how many people are the interest to learning the English? I gonna see for that. So thanks for the watching. Yeah, we gonna see next video. So if you need, I must take any videos like other any topics. So please let me know in the comment section. I will do that upcoming video. Okay, thank you. We are see next video.